Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ESR HaloLock. Ooh, a kickstand wireless charger. That's awesome. It's compatible with the iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, and all other magnetic cases. Of course, you can recharge an iPhone 11 Pro, 11.8, 10, etc. too, no problem, okay? It's possible. But the really nice shape you will get on the iPhone 12 or on all devices which are the new generation of the iPhones, okay? It is with 5 feet removable cable. These are 1.5 meter. We will need an adapter for it because that is not included, but this is an adapter like an AC adapter or an AC charging station, for example, as an USB socket or a computer with USB port or an iPad Pro or a smartphone power supply. No problem. Everyone have this, isn't it? It's fast and easy. Wireless charging. That's compatible with the iPhone 12 and compatible with MagSafe because MagSafe is in the 12th generation of the iPhones. And this MagSafe means that on the back side of the device is a magnetic area which you can dock their items to choose or let it make some options, and this option in this case is to reload your iPhone 12. We have more family FaceTime with it while our charger on our iPhone is recharging the iPhone, because then we can make more FaceTime because there is a built-in kickstand that's there when we need it and falls away when we don't need it. We have a removable 5 feet USB-C cable. This gives us freedom to move around or ditch our cable for a portable stand. And it's small and portable to keep up with our mobile lifestyle. Easily transitions from nightstand to kitchen to coffee shop as you like. It comes with a really nice aluminum alloy body with tempered glass face. This gives us a durability with a premium feel. Wow, that's really awesome. On that charger itself, we have a USB-C port to get the energy into it, okay? A wireless charging pad with a glass surface. And there is a kickstand. And these awesome kickstands means that we can rotate our smartphone, for example, 90 degrees if you like, or we will do not rotate it. We rotate the kickstand, no prob, and then we can choose or plug the charger into it, and then we attach the charger to the phone to begin charging. Job's done. We can adjust the kickstand to a comfortable angle. Of course, we should not push the stand past 60 degrees, but it's enough with this dimension, with this works really nice. And of course, you can make it, you can rotate it like you need it. It's really awesome. This charger is only compatible with the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max as well, with this magnetic surface thing. That means it's compatible with that MagSafe, okay? But also you can recharge other devices with it. But then you have not the magnetic thing on it, okay? Because this HaloLock kickstand with the wireless charger kickstand stays charged while we can play or make FaceTime, for example. Everything is possible. The maximum output of this charger is 15 watt. Its maximum output for iPhone, okay, is 7.5 watt. That means if you do not use an iPhone 12 for it, but another cheap standard device, you can reloaded there with 15 watt power. This is more than on an iPhone, okay? The maximum output for iPhones is 7.5 watt, but this is not because of ESR, this is because of Apple, okay? No. Only use the cable provided with the charger. An Apple cable or other third-party cable may interference with charging. But I tested it with one of mine, no problem, okay? But you can test by yourself. It is included the USB to USB-C is included the cable. That means if you are going to use that, you are on the right side of the charging side. The charger will only attach to the caseless iPhone 12 series phone, available MagSafe cases and ESR HaloLock cases. It will not attach to any other phones or cases because of this holding in position status. That's right. But if you lay down it flat on the floor and you will dock on another phone on it, it will recharge this too, no problem. This charger may leave a slight imprint or mark on the back of the phone or case. Using a magnetic case with a charger is recommended. But I tested this, there was nothing. You have to look that there is no dirt or other things which can make scratches on your phone under it. And then I think everything is safe, okay? So, but take care, have a look. There are some stones under it. Don't make it or don't use it while you are rotating the charger, for example. But this is not the point. The HaloLock Kickstand is a really nice and easy dock thing. It will dock really automatically on your iPhone, and it will hold there because of the magnetic surface on the backside. It's really awesome. Yeah, we can watch our way, call family, or watch movies with the adjustable kickstand on the backside of the device. And we can stay mobile. It's a removable cable. Let us take the stand wherever we need it. And its touch looks really good. Oh yeah, aluminum and tempered glass stay looking good day in and day out. And that's right, it looks really nice. It looks it is a premium thing here. It looks really good. And you can use it as a holding system on the backside of your iPhone. It will make a better grip on it if you docked it in position, and you can hold it better, really. And it fits in our pocket. Super slim designed and a foldable kickstand keep the charger pocket size. Oh yeah, that's a nice device, I think, because this wireless charging thing is really awesome. I like it really much to recharge my devices at home without a wire is connected to the iPhone. It's much better to use it with that wireless connectivity on it. And of course, this cool MagSafe stuff will get our iPhone more comfortable, and it will reload and let this thing get in position on the back side of our iPhone, for example. Oh yeah, this is the ESR. Good HaloLock, a Halo lock. It's locked. Kickstand wireless charger, and is compatible with iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max because of the magnetic, and in magnetic cases. And of course, because of the magnetic thing, it can dock on the backside of your iPhone while the MagSafe is there installed into it. And it comes with a removable cable, and all what you need is a power supply, like an USB socket, charging system, like in laptop as well, or in power bank is compatible too. No problem with it. It's a really nice thing, and you can see it works and it looks great. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Nice device. ESR. Oh